Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check company reviews on Glassdoor. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to glassdoor.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access the full features of the platform. Logging in is essential because it unlocks all the review content and additional insights that aren't available to visitors who aren't signed in. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll notice a navigation menu there. Click on Companies to access the section where you can search for and explore different organizations. This is where Glassdoor houses all its company profiles, complete with reviews, ratings, salary information, and interview experiences shared by employees. Now, you'll see a search bar appear on your screen. Click on it and type in the company name you want to research. As you start typing, Glassdoor will automatically suggest matching companies below the search bar. When you see the company you're looking for in the suggestions, go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to that company's dedicated profile page where all the information is organized and easy to navigate. Once you're on the company's profile page, click on Reviews. This tab is specifically designed to show you what current and former employees have to say about working at that company. It's one of the most valuable sections because it gives you real, unfiltered feedback from people who have firsthand experience with the workplace culture, management style, and day-to-day operations. From here, scroll through the reviews to see all the feedback that's been posted. You'll see reviews from both current and former employees, which gives you a well-rounded perspective on the company. Some reviews might highlight the positives, while others may point out areas where the company could improve. Reading through a mix of opinions helps you get a more complete picture of what it's really like to work there. However, you might notice that some reviews are blurred out. This is Glassdoor's way of encouraging users to contribute to the community. If you want to see those blurred reviews, click the Share Your Experience to Get Access button. This is optional, but if you do choose to share your own review or experience, you'll unlock full access to all the content. It's a trade-off that helps keep the platform active and informative for everyone. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check company reviews on Glassdoor and get valuable insights before making any career decisions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.